Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little tutorial for you. I'm going to be using the Sarian X Estate palette in Venice Fling. I got this from Ipsy and it is just gorgeous. And everything's going to be backwards because I am using my phone to where I can see it because I don't have a mirror tall enough. Because I just use my phone to film. But anyway, so stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look. And here we go. Alright, that is the final look using the Sarian X Estate palette in Venice Fling. I really love this palette. I got it from Ipsy and I thought I would just do a little tutorial just to kind of get back into filming. Oh, I'm still really too close. I'm filming on my couch. There's my doggy Molly. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll consider subscribing. I would love to have you on my channel. Thank you. Bye.